Good day everyone, my name is Smiley Vergara. My career objective: have the ability to work in company that will provide knowledge and talent where I can develop implementing new ideas for the development of the company. My educational background: tertiary, Isabela State University, Cauayan Campus, San Fermin, Cauayan City, Isabela. Bachelor of Science Informational Technology. School year 2022%. Secondary, Villa Concepcion High School, Bacolod Extension, Bacolod, Cauayan City, Isabela. Grade 7 to 10. School year 2016. Cauayan City National High School, Albano Street, Turayong, Cauayan City, Isabela. Grade 11 to 12. SY 2021. Primary, Kasalatan Elementary School, Kasalatan, Cauayan City, Isabela. Grade 1 to 10. Year 2010. My personal background: age 20, gender female, date of birth September 26, 2003, place of birth Kasalatan, Cauayan City, Isabela, citizenship Filipino, civil status single. Qualification and skills: communication skills, ability to work under pressure, humble and dedicated to my assigned work.